Today we're going to review the Fiber FDM printer from Anycubic. My name is Bashar and this stock 3D printing. Okay, before I open the box and see what's inside the box, I just want to let you know I buy it from Amazon. There was no money exchange for the review, and let's see what's inside the box. Wow, look at that color. It's look very nice. Yes, this is the stuff with the come with it. Some screw. That's really this is for the resin print. I don't know if this is gonna work for the FDM print. That's really 10 meters. That's really tiny, but it's not bad. They said quality. Oh, I like that. Extra nozzle, some zip tied, a power bag. Okay, the manual. Let's see. Color one, symbol. This is the spool holder. Oh, that's the screen. Look at the screen. The screen look good. I really like it. But I like to do that by myself. Why it's already open. Okay, more foam out. I really like how the back is. It's very nice. Now I don't know. Do I need to? This one. Oops. There is some cable. The base for the printer. Let me remove the box. Okay, now this would come with the printer. It's the base and gather it together. You can, I assume it's gonna be easy. Now let's assemble it. Assemble was very easy. Two screw here, and two screw here. I'm ready to go. Now, before we talk about the printer and my experience with it, let's review the cool features come with the printer. Starting with the 245 by 245 by 60 bit volume for the printer. It looks small, but it's really print big. And the auto bed leveling and the BEI magnet bed and the touch screen and the 32 motherboard, silent motherboard. Plus of that, it's have a run out sensor with the double gear extrusion, and they have the high pressure screw for the Z-axis, and this should be provide more stability when you print. Okay, now let's see what I print. Now there was only one pre-sliced file come with the printer and with the memory card, and was this owl, and the result was fine. I was expecting something better, but after that it's time for me to slice something and try to do more stuff. Now the good thing Anycubic did, it's don't build their own slicer. Now most of the company they build their own slicer, but them they don't do that. What they did, they provide the steps how to build your own profile, plus they provide the material or the setting for PLA and BTG and TPU. They're also those profile, they're already be in the memory card, and it's really give me good result. Now all these stuff like this Benchy and the Batman, the phone stand and this pin holder and even the squid and frontman mask, all being printed by PLA, and I used the stock profile being provided in the memory card. Now I was trying to see how I can build multiple stuff one time, and I print all this. This is all like a small ghost for the Halloween. They really come out very good. Now I try a different material. I try the BTG and come out very good, and I try the TPU and it's really come very well. I'm really happy with the TPU quality of it's come out very good. And look at this, very very beautiful come out. Now, what I like with the printer and what I don't like with the printer, I'll start with stuff I don't like. The cable management for the printer, I felt it's sloppy and it's not being done anything. Now, the printer, you can tell it's similar with the CR10 SE, but for all other features, the CR6 SE have the Anycubic take that design and really add a lot of details or some change. But the cable management was, there's no any additional add for that part, and I wish they have something look better. Now, the spool holder also, the side, like it's have a screw and you need to keep it there. I wish was I can move it around, especially if I want it in the front or I want it in the back, will be a little bit easy. Now, the runout sensor filament and the extruder, they're like a little bit near and there is no enough room to change the filament when it's run out. I face that problem, but those problems, I don't think so will stop me to buy the printer again. Now, what I like, the auto bed leveling is the best compared with all the print I've been try them or use them or I review them. Their auto bed leveling, it's amazing, it's perfect. One time I did the bed leveling and done, and I've been printing for non-stop. You can see all this stuff I printed. I can tell also the firmware for the printer, it's been done very good. Like I don't see any glitch or any problem with any feature I use, and I did a lot of print and I have no issue at all when it's come to firmware, which is some printers still like I will like talk about my last printer before the fiber I already reviewed, which is the CR10 Smart. They still have some issue and glitch in their firmware, but they did amazing job when it's come to the firmware. Also, I really like the profile they really provided. It's give me a good result. Plus of that, the speed the printer, like the stock was 80 millimeter per second, which is amazing because some printer I have, the manufacturer recommended it's 40, but when Fiverr said or Anycubic said, okay, our minimum is 80, that's something impressive. I read somebody go up to 100-ish printing with the fiber and they have good result. I don't try it yet, but 80 was, I was really happy with 80 millimeter per second. Now, in the general, the printer is very good, but make sure if you want to buy it, please buy it from Amazon or from a place where you can easy to retain it, because I have a lot of problem with some printer. They're like, I have good printer, but some people have bad printer because it's not the who built the printer or the company who designed it, it's the manufacturers. When they manufacture those printer, they don't come very well. That's why I very recommended to buy it from Amazon, because if they have any manufacturer issue, will be easy for you just send it back and get a new one. Same as this, I bought from Amazon. Now, did I really recommended this printer? Yes, for somebody new to 3D printing, and yes, for second printer, and yes, if you want to do a farm printer. Now, or in the end, this is my review for the Anycubic Vyper. I wish you like my review, and if you agree with me, or you don't agree with me, please leave me comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and turn on the notification button to see the latest video we do it. And as usually I said, please keep printing.